This 2022 Dutchmen Aspen Trail La 25BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Port Charlotte, FL 33980 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7 and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.